What up, YouTube? We are eating Lechon and exploring some new to us waterfalls today. Good morning, YouTube. Just brought the puppies out to go potty because we've been crating them. So did everyone go poopers except the Brindle one?
The Brindle one pooped a little bit.
Okay.
The girl pooped twice and the other one pooped once. Hey! No! No!
Hey, drop that sponge thing. Hi, buddy. How are you?
I don't know where that came from.
Yeah, you still got to go poop some more.
Hey!
Yeah. Okay, you guys are losing focus. You're supposed to be pooping. And you're just playing hiding in the bushes, chewing on sticks, puppy games.
Well, we have 3 puppies that peed, 3 puppies that pooped. But I think old Brutus here, or whatever his name is, needs to probably poop some more.
I think so too. The puppies are getting a lot of good out of their squeaky toys. What? I know you don't like those puppies messing with you. Wiggles. I know, he's a slow learner. He just really likes you, Mr. Wiggles. Yeah, you remember you were an annoying puppy at one point. Yes, you were. We are taking Leche today. First stop is Simple for coffee. And then we're heading up to the mountains for some Lechon. I'm ready for coffee. I haven't had any today.
I would like some coffee.
Leche has a much different sounding horn. Think the puppy's gonna recognize it?
Well, as a horn, yeah.
Hey, buddy. Come on, just get in the car. Oh. Oh my goodness. Real bait just like bush hogging. Does she have him? I don't hear him screaming. Oh my goodness! You have him! Oh, he's happy! He's happy!
He's terrified. Oh.
Here, hold him in your lap.
Hi, baby.
Hey! Oh my goodness! I didn't think we were ever going to get you. It's okay. Do you need to go in? I'm going to put the windows up. There you go. You're in the back seat. Everything's okay. Okay. That is a huge relief. It's also tremendously stressful because now we're fostering 4 puppies at the same time. The other puppies are in the crate right now, and they're getting pretty good. The little girl is really doing super good with word association. But when it's time to go into the crate, we say, okay, sleepy, 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 it's time to go sleepy. And they start running in there. This little guy is paranoid, freaked out. I think he's going to be really excited to see his siblings. And did he pee when you grabbed him? Yeah, I think this is the first one out of the 4 that didn't pee. So we're going to take him and basically just put him in the crate with his siblings, and then come back later on and see how it's going. You're gonna be happy. Look at how scared he saw the other dogs. He was like, oh no. I am so tremendously relieved that we got that last pup. Check it. Your favorite song, Puppy Saver. So how did the puppy reunion go?
Well, it was quite the reception.
Really?
Yeah, so Casa was 100% indifferent. Didn't even acknowledge that the puppy was leaving there.
Yeah.
Reef was on the other side of the spectrum, beside herself. She was so excited. Like, really, 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 really happy.
Yeah.
Like, really happy. And gave the warmest welcome to that puppy, and that puppy was like, what is going on here? I'm okay with this though. You know what I mean? And then I took the puppy upstairs. Chaco just checked him out for a second and was like not impressed. The other 3 puppies, however, when I opened up the jaula, the cage, kennel, yeah.
Oh my goodness, it's nice and calm today.
Bathing suit, so.
You do have a bathing suit? And the siblings were?
So, Little Miss, La Jefa, whatever, she immediately felt the need to establish dominance. And then the 2 boys seemed confused and not quite sure what to do. But they quickly started playing, and I say they were playing, the boys. So they seem to be doing okay.
Good. I'm glad he's not out there alone anymore.
I know. Like, he was
scared?
He was
His
so
experiences
scared.
with people, especially men, I'm assuming, have been bad.
Or a man, yeah.
Or a man, yeah.
La nevera, fría como Rusia, pero en Playa Santa hasta Playa Sucia. Llega Atlanta y a diseta aguanta. Yo estoy puesto para esto gigantesco aquí como la vida.
What up?
Hi.
We caught that last puppy.
Aww.
Yeah.
Yeah. So can you put some of the horse and stuff on it?
I'm gonna say flan. Hey!
I really don't know.
We're coming up to the little produce stand that has the mannequins outside, but I'm not. There it is. I can see the tent top. not seeing mannequins.
Right there.
Oh, there's one. And I did not check the coolant, so we're getting close to overheating. We're doing good right now. I'm gonna let it cool down when we eat and maybe pop it some.
Jeep. I thought it was really fun to drive.
There's the weekend car show.
Definitely, you know, good for certain applications. And no, girl, I smoke.
We are stopping for some juice, some papaya de dulce, and maybe some pineapple. They're looking pretty good.
What are these holding in, babe?
Leche? Lychee.
Yeah, lychee.
Lychee.
Don't eat it. Look at it.
¿Qué? Sí, sí.
Pero very hot.
¿Qué tipo?
Ahí
I'm
picante.
just gonna skip.
¿Ahí picante? Oh, sí, 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 sí. Sí. It's got a good heat. I just took a little bit.
I'm not gonna hurt myself, right?
Yeah, don't like take a bite. Just like use your teeth to like squeeze a little bit of the pulp.
I'm not. It's pretty fire.
That would do good in a conch salad.
That would do good in a conch salad.
Yeah.
There you
Okay.
go. Doesn't take much.
It goes with the beans.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's really good.
The habichuelas.
Yeah.
Oh, I'll do a full one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How much is that? $7. Here, you can share some with us. We're gonna get a big one.
¿Quieren una botellita?
Ella quiere mismo.
Una.
¿Una así pequeñita? Sí. Claro que sí.
Vamos a hacer acá.
Sí, es para YouTube. Más.
Échale una más, que sean 3.
Bien. Oh, we loaded up hard. I am so impressed with that pepper that I am going to save it. Or at least save the seeds from that pepper. That's why I'm saving it.
On the house.
And we got a papaya.
Rambutan. Sí. Okay. Ajá. Es mismo or similar con una canimba. Yeah? Okay, ¿verdad? ¿Para mí? Oh, okay. Gracias.
Gracias.
Thank you, gracias. So cool.
I'm gonna wait on mine. Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
I mean, think about it. To be fair, we did
We are in LARES, but I'm gonna turn around, go to a gas station and get some coolant so I can top this off when it cools down.
They're really, really hot. And I said, oh, I just tried my husband's. She's like,
And we got this stuff, which we've used before, and it's really good. But I'm also gonna get a thing of coolant.
that's a good idea.
Okay, the reservoir is looking good, but of course I couldn't check the radiator. It's way too hot.
Right.
So we're going to continue to Don Yuyo's. I'm hungry. And then we're gonna head back Well, hopefully after Don Yuyo's, it'll be cool enough to where I can check it and top some off. We are pulling in for the video. It's nice and clear today.
I don't see any of the cows out.
No.
Oh, they're all up there.
The temp is still holding pretty good. Okay, y'all, here's the waterfall. Nice and clear too. I wasn't expecting it to be this clear. Okay, we're gonna eat and then I think we're gonna come back and maybe even get in the water. Look at how much further down it is on this side. There's actually another set of falls right past this ledge, but you can't see it from up here. So you want to come back and get in the water?
I do.
Let's go eat and then we'll come back. Oh yeah, I remember that. When I was like, this is the wrong way. Yep. It's almost Lechon time. I'm pretty excited about that. Yep, there we are. Don Yuyo's. Bueno. Oh,
I know.
blood sausage.
Hi. ¿Cómo estás?
Buenas tardes.
¿Tanto tiempo?
Sí, mucho largo tiempo. Pastelillo.
Pana. Oh, that's the breadfruit escabeche.
Ooh.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do both.
Maybe the yuca. You want yuca or breadfruit? I don't know.
I'm gonna do one of each.
Okay. Gracias, amor.
Yeah.
Muy bien. Muy bien.
Arroz, lechon y pana.
Sí.
It's rice, milk, and what?
No. So I'm getting
One of the yuca left.
yuca one and guineos.
What is
¿Qué
it?
tipo de carne?
Oh, yeah, good.
Okay.
I'm gonna try that. I'm
What
gonna
about
try to order
chicken?
this in Spanish. Okay, yo quiero... Are you done ordering?
Yeah. So go ahead.
I'm gonna go see what's left of the Lechon from today. Oh.
Cool.
Yeah.
That's so cool. Genial. Genial. Is that the same? Okay, genial. Wow.
It still smells so good. Yeah.
Wow. Gracias, amor.
Gracias.
Have you ever made these?
The pasteles? No. We eat them a lot. We still have some frozen in the freezer, but we don't make them.
Some frozen in the freezer?
Yeah. Here it comes.
Yeah.
It's like...
Oh, look at that.
They make these, it's like a tamale. It's like the same thing. Like the whole board. Look, there's mangoes.
Solar. I don't know. I do know.
A water purifier for the whole house. So,
So what do you think of the pastele?
it's so good.
Did you try it with the guineos?
I did, and it's very good.
What up, YouTube? It is Sunday and we just got done eating a bunch of really, really good Lechon here up at Don Yuyo's, which is when we come up to the mountains for Lechon on Sundays, we generally go to Don Yuyo's, and now we are gonna go hit some waterfalls.
straight out. No, nothing else, you know.
Okay. We are gonna go get in the water a little bit. Okay, supposedly it's cold. Cold. Rocks aren't too slippery.
I want to get a good picture under the waterfall. Look at us.
You almost stayed home today. Be careful, there's a huge drop off right there.
I know, I saw it on the other side.
Yeah.
Tell the story. I get it, right? But he loves telling stories.
What story?
I don't really know the story of the phone that I lost in the waterfall and what happened after.
Oh my goodness. Oh my,
Is that cold?
it's cold. Do it, do it. You're raising my courage, I'm telling you.
I'm not going to get my hair wet. But she's in a full body swimmer.
I
You need to do a dunk.
need to do a dunk, huh? Okay, I'm gonna dunk real quick.
What's your idea?
Not that bad.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Great.
Real Babes is over there rinsing all the hard water out of her hair. That's it for this stop, y'all. We're gonna make our way back up to the car. I'm gonna check the temp, and if it's cool enough, I'm gonna take that radiator cap off and try to top it off some. It actually looks like we're good. We got plenty of fluid.
I don't care what it's made of. One of these
Got those
goes really far.
to try to get the seeds out and start growing them.
Save the seeds to the
Okay. reverse goes out periodically. Well, every minute you're asleep, this is all here too.
Well, I really want to catch a snake. Yeah, but you can't see it. You want to catch a snake? That is so amazing. Wally needs a person to go herping with. Well, Devin wants to do it. I don't want to go herping. I just want to catch a snake. That's what herping is. Like, you go out, you look for snakes, and you catch them. Reticulated pythons and boas.
Yeah, the reticulated pythons and boas are the worst invasives. We also have striped keelbacks, but they're not all that bad. Yeah, that's Rancho Teas right there. Everyone loves Rancho Teas. We prefer Don Yuyo's. That's
so beautiful.
Lotta Centra. That's the big cathedral in the center of town. Later.
Bye.
That is a baby. Oh, there's neighbor dog. I can hear her barking.
Being a horse barker.
There's little buddy. Look at how many of the horsies are out tonight. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
That's cows.
Yeah. So 15 minus 1 cow. Okay. Oh, she almost went. Good. Look at those good puppies. Look at them peeing away. That's a good boy. No accidents in the crate?
Huh?
No accidents in the crate?
I don't know yet.
Okay. Little Bit and Chico, they know what downstairs is. Yeah, the new guy, he's starting to figure it out. I'm glad y'all like the mosquito water. You puppies are being very good, but we're going to stay down here until you poop. Yep. You can't go back upstairs until you poop. And don't make the old dog mad. Yeah.
She keeps doing this weird thing with her mouth, which kind of seems like, you know, when they like are grooming and they bite the fleas off each other.
Yeah.
It's like she's doing that, but on steroids. I don't know.
Okay.
It's like the weirdest thing. I can't understand what it is, you know? Like, definitely seems like some type of maternal, I don't know, I don't understand it, you know?
No, she's been glued to the puppies. I'm glad these two have been reunited.
Yeah.
Yeah, the twins are just been going nuts on each other.
They have. Hasn't been so good.
She's like, ooh, more little dogs for me to beat up. I can feel powerful.
I know. Did I hear fast?
Wiggles has been very good.
Don Wiggles.
Wiggles has just been whining and groaning his extreme disapproval because Reef is chilling on the bench with me. Yes. And Choco is, of course, right between my legs, like always. And Wiggles is like, but I'm the oldest. I deserve the most attention. And I haven't bit any puppies. I've been a very good boy. See, even Reef knows you're still head honcho. Okay. We have some more puppy toys in here. Let me see what we have. We have a shoe. Any of y'all have any interest in the shoe?
Do you know what this is? This is a chacleta.
Reef knows what that is.
That's what that is.
Reef's like, I am getting away.
Oh, yay! Yay,
Okay, oh, and this one is gonna need a knife or something. Because your sister stole your shoe. Here.
Oh, do you want that? Do you want that? No, you're just trying to groom it. You want that? There you go. You're such a good girl. You're such a good girl. Little dog, do you not want this toy? Let's try something squeaky and fuzzy for this guy.
Which guy?
The one under the car. Oh, the one's right there.
There's none under the car. They're all over there.
Casa, you want that? Oh, Casa wants it. Good girl.
He is very happy with his donut. Look at him. He's flipping out. Oh, Kaza, you just stole a puppy toy.
No, she didn't. I gave
Okay.
it to her. Oh, the puppies weren't interested.
Yeah, that's supposed to clean your teeth.
Yay.
Yes.
Yeah. Such good girls.
Look at him. He is flipping out
I
over
know,
his.
he's really happy with his donut. Donut was a good choice.
He's had secondhand dog toys. I think that's the first, well, the second, because we gave him the shoe,
Yeah.
but then she stole it.
Yeah, she's trying to steal that one.
And now
She's
she.
taking the shoe.
Hey, where did the shoe go? Oh, the shoe's right there. The Brindle one stole the shoe.
Well, I guess we need one more. Look, see the horses out there?
And she now has the donut.
Alright.
So you're gonna get another squeaky. Oh yeah, bring the squeaky beer bottle.
Who wants a squeaky beer bottle? No, how about this? Good girl.
You took the tag off of it. You chose the hot dog. That's what I would have done, Kaza.
Yeah.
She's like, I am gonna take this upstairs and kill it. I am going to eviscerate the squeaky right out of it. So no other dogs will ever get the joy of making it squeak.
I know.
Oh, this
right?
one still needs the tag taken off.
Oh.
And over here, these guys, 3 puppies,
2 toys.
2 toys.
They're not even paying attention to the second toy. They're just... Oh.
They like the shoe.
Let's see who wants this one. Who wants this toy, huh? Do you want that toy?
Remember how scared you were earlier today?
Reef just wants to groom it. She's like, I don't want the toy, I just want to groom it. Yeah. How about you? Do you want that toy? Oh, you do. There you go.
You guys are being good.
I do think we should move these plants.
You want to put them up on a table?
Yeah.
Okay. Some of these frangipani are doing so good.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Hey, drop it. I think it's a rock.
Or a spooky.
Drop it. Drop it. I'm doing some editing. And every once in a while there's some growling coming from the puppy kennel. That's because Little Bit is mean. Wiggles, what are you sniffing around for? That's it for tonight, y'all. The dogs are, the big dogs are all enjoying free reign of all the massive amounts of puppy toys. And the puppies are locked up in maximum security puppy kennel. There they are. And I'm gonna crash out, try to get this video out to y'all. So, love y'all, good night, and we will see y'all tomorrow when we wake up and open up the crate and take the puppies out to poop and turn on the GoPro. Night, y'all.